Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today we're going to make a New York classic dessert. And this is what's going to be jumping in my pot, the black and white cookie. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients we will be using for the cookie part of the recipe. Vanilla extract, or egg at room temperature, salt, baking soda, buttermilk, granulated sugar, all-purpose flour, and unsalted butter. Now, this is the first thing we do. I have the flour here, and I'm going to add the baking soda and the salt to it. I'm going to mix that up. And we're going to set it to the side. The next thing is, this is the buttermilk. We're going to add the vanilla extract to the buttermilk. I'm going to mix this up. And set this to the side. Now we're going to put the sugar, and the butter. In the mixer, and we're going to let it blend up for about 3 minutes. Now we're going to add the egg into the bowl. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. We want everything to blend up together, the egg, the sugar, and the butter. Now, this is what we're going to do. We're going to add a cup and a half a cup of flour. And some of the buttermilk mixture. And then we're going to add again a half a cup of flour and then some buttermilk mixture. Okay. I'm going to scrape everything down. And we're going to mix it again for about 1 minute till everything incorporates together. I have a sheet pan here lined with parchment paper. I'm using an ice cream scoop to scoop the dough into the pan. Do not put them too close. This is what we do now. I have my oven set to 350 degrees. I'm going to pop these in the oven and bake it for 15 to 17 minutes. Now we're going to make the black and white icing. These are the ingredients we will be using: cocoa powder, lemon juice, vanilla extract, corn syrup, confectioner sugar, also known as powdered sugar, and water. I have a bowl here. I'm going to add the powdered sugar to this bowl. The lemon juice. The vanilla extract. Water. The corn syrup. Now we're going to mix this up together. Now that we done mixed the white frosting, we're going to take half of the white and we're going to add the cocoa powder to this. Now we're going to frost them. We flip it over and we take some white frosting. We spread it on. Now we're going to take some chocolate frosting. And I'm going to continue to do the rest of them. Here you have it, the classic New York black and white cookie. Enjoy. So let's see how it came out. It's like a cake inside, but it's a cookie. Nice, moist, and soft. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on X, Instagram, and TikTok. I will see you soon with another video. Bye.